So we are here at a section of the Warbler Ridge Conservation Area with the south bat pods that we had help getting those installed with the help of Ameren, volunteering their time.
Yeah, we've got some volunteers together to come out after work and came and got the poles set for them. They put the bark on the poles that we set, and then we also assisted with the rocket boxes, setting them on the steel poles with the bucket trucks.
We have designed these rocket boxes and Brandon bark to allow a diversity of habitat for these bats.
Not too long ago, we had 381 come out of these pods alone, and so we're seeing that continuous growth, which means the bats are, increasing in population and potentially helping the endangered Indiana bat. I just would like to thank Ameren Illinois for all the help that they've done and for their donation today. And I can see how much it could help us in the future for our restoration efforts and for our research.